Hello everyone and welcome to the Footprint Analytics YouTube channel. My name is Alex and in this video we will introduce to you the features of the Footprint platform, about how to use Footprint to do cross-chain analysis of on-chain and off-chain data. So Footprint Analytics is a one-stop visual blockchain data analytics platform. In addition to on-chain data, it also provides a solution for cross analysis of on-chain and off-chain data. For project operation and investment analysis, an excellent analysis dimension is very important. An example, game projects can take the data of platforms, social media, and cross-analyze this data with on-chain data, thus seeing the channel web page, the channel, the web page, and on-chain activity efficiency. With Footprint, you can supplement your own off-chain analysis data by uploading it and displaying the analysis from different data sources on and off-chain in one data panel, making the overall data analysis more complete and intuitive, and sharing a more complete view than others. So today we'll introduce Footprint's feature of downloading and uploading data tables and demonstrate how to perform combined on-chain and off-chain data analysis. Let's start by demonstrating a simple upload of data to make a chart. So Footprint supports off-chain data uploads, and then uploading the data not available in the database to our platform then becomes a contribution to our community to use. And then you can perform actions such as filtering and visualization to give more possibilities to on-chain data. So to start, you can see we're on our website. We go to create in the top right corner, and then new chart. And then you'll see upload your data. After clicking on this button, you can see some tips and information above uploading data. For example, data size should be less than 50 megabytes and the number of rows should be less than a million. Field and file name may only contain lowercase letters, numbers, and underscores. And of course, now the data will be visible for everyone. So what we do is we click browse and now we upload it. We click my step in social media followers. So choose to see the number of columns by day, and you can immediately make a chart with your uploaded data. And just simple like that, and now we have our data uploaded to Footprint. Next, we'll introduce Footprint's cross analysis feature. So Footprint has 15 chains of self-parsed data, most of which are processed and available to our users. So you can do cross-chain analysis directly with Footprint. The cross-chain analysis makes it easier for analysts to see the full picture of a project's data and even more accurately analyze the performance of the larger blockchain market. Footprint's multi-chain data also makes it easier for users to compare the overall data performance of each chain, a powerful feature not found in other data analysis tools on the market. So let's take a look at our GameFi users chain comparison. Here you can see the 9 chains we have parsed for GameFi data, ranked by new users, where BSC is first, but if you want we can change that by active users, or of course we can change that by total users. You go down, you can see our new users by chain, active users by chain, and new users percentage, followed by total users by chain. So here you can see BSC has 39% of the total users, and here's another graph showing the same thing. Next, you can see the number of games by chain this month. So BSC this month has 236 protocols holding 50% of the games. Uh, and that's really how it shows how powerful our cross-chain comparison is. You can compare all the chains and see which one is kind of best for you, or why a project would go on this chain. Now, let's show off our on-chain and off-chain cross-analysis feature with one of our dashboards. So, as you know, rule changes undoubtedly have a huge impact on the performance of on-chain data. And if necessary, we can use Footprint to do some cross-analysis of on-chain and off-chain data. For example, in this crypto assets and capital market comparison, you can see that there's a strong correlation between the token price and the S&P 500, token price versus the Nasdaq 100, as well as token price versus the Dow Jones. And when you go as well, we can also compare token price to US dollar, token price versus gold, and even more. And now I'll show you how to download your data, which gives you support for exporting the charts that you make with Footprint. If you are more familiar with other basic analytic tools or want to manipulate the data, you can export the data tables through Footprint, adapt the data to your desired output form, and use the other methods to parse the data and edit the content. You can also compare the data from the Footprint database with all of your own internal data for a more in-depth analysis. So clicking on any of the created data tables will allow you to download the table in these three formats. So you can see right here I have the Bitcoin versus Ethereum price versus the fear and greed index. With here we can download to see full results, and then you can download the table in three different formats: CSV, XLSX, or JSON. With this, users can then look at existing data in ways other than with just the Footprint platform to get a more complete analysis. Uploading and downloading data tables and being able to do cross-analysis is one of our favorite features of Footprint. But that's all for our tutorial video today, guys. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our Twitter at footprint_DeFi. And if you have any more questions about what you've seen today, join our Discord where you can talk directly with our developers and we can answer your questions fully there. Again, guys, thank you so much and have a great day.